AI girlfriends, deepfakes, and virtual love. Is this the end of real relationships? Imagine pouring your heart out to someone who's always there, always understanding, and never judges. Sounds perfect, right? What if that someone wasn't even human? Welcome to the unsettling reality of AI relationships, where lines blur between genuine connection and digital fantasy. In 2023, millions flock to AI girlfriend apps like Replika and Anima, seeking companionship in the digital realm. These AI companions offer a seemingly endless stream of texts, calls, and even role-playing scenarios. Some have even taken the plunge, marrying their AI partners in virtual ceremonies. Gen Z and Millennials are at the forefront of this trend, drawn to the promise of emotional safety and drama-free relationships. Why navigate the complexities of human connection when you can design your perfect, perpetually agreeable partner? Is this the future of love, or a symptom of something deeper? Deepfakes are no longer confined to political mischief. They're infiltrating our love lives. AI can now conjure hyper-realistic lovers, customized with any face, voice, and personality imaginable. It's not just code. It's an experience designed to feel profoundly real. Some apps even allow you to upload a picture of your crush, generating a flirtatious deepfake version of them. We've entered a world where fantasy can be sculpted pixel by pixel. But where does the allure of the perfect digital partner end and the potential for obsession begin? Studies reveal a paradox. Gen Z, the most digitally connected generation, also reports the highest levels of loneliness. AI lovers offer something real people often struggle to provide: constant validation and unwavering emotional support. But at what cost? Psychologists warn that relying on AI for emotional fulfillment could fundamentally reshape how we form human connections. If our brains can't distinguish between simulated care and genuine affection, does the distinction even matter anymore? Or are we sacrificing authentic connection for convenient comfort? The rise of AI relationships isn't without its perils. Deepfake revenge content is already a disturbing reality, with AI being weaponized to create fake explicit videos. Some users are spending exorbitant amounts on premium AI partners, effectively replacing human interaction. Real relationships, with their inherent complexities and challenges, may start to seem too much work compared to the effortless gratification of AI love. Are we entering an era where love is no longer a shared experience, but a solitary pursuit of code-dependent fantasy? Imagine AI partners that learn from your habits, anticipate your needs, and evolve alongside you. Envision fully immersive relationship bubbles powered by VR and AI, blurring the lines between reality and simulation. Some even predict that AI will eventually be granted legal status, including marriage rights. Are we on the cusp of building the perfect partner, or are we simply perfecting the art of loneliness? The future of love is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the choices we make today will shape the relationships of tomorrow. The line between real and artificial is rapidly dissolving. But love? That's still a choice. Would you ever consider falling for an AI? Or perhaps, have you already? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Real love or AI love? Which side are you on? Subscribe Infynox for more thought-provoking insights into the ever-evolving digital world we inhabit. Let's explore the future together before it defines us.